In this quick tutorial video, I'll show you the way that you can change your YouTube channel name. If you have a YouTube channel and you're trying to change the name of it, let me show you the quick process. Open up your YouTube app and then head over to the profile section on the bottom right. Make sure that the correct YouTube channel is selected. Once you're inside of this YouTube channel, you'll be able to see the pencil icon on the right hand side. If you straight away don't see this, you may see this section. You can tap on the view channel option and from here tap on the pencil icon. From the channel settings, the first option you'll see is the option of the name. Tap on the pencil icon again, and through the name section, you'll be able to remove the existing name that you have and then add in any new name. Once you're happy with the name that you selected, just tap on the save option. Once you tap on save, you'll immediately see the changes as displayed beneath the name section. Just like that, you can also change the handle of your YouTube. Repeat the same process and you can also change in your handle of the YouTube channel. So that's all it takes in changing your YouTube channel name. If this video did help you out, make sure to let us know by giving this video a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.